Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
So in this beautiful day, in cold day, we have some podcast with my friend. So before that, I wanna introduce myself. My name is Vanabik Andika from 11 Network Engineering, and this our host, my friend. So let's introduce yourself.
So, before we start this podcast, let me introduce myself. My name is Amar Maulana Habibi. I'm from 11th grade Network Engineering. So, today going on this cold day, we will do a podcast with the title "Teenagers" and what the title?
So the title, the lens, and adult is like in media social, adulthood, right? So before that, what are you in India?
Alhamdulillah
Yes.
on this India and on New Delhi city, it's very cold. But if you think India is hot, yes, you're wrong. Because of what? First, we went to India on the winter, after winter weather, so it's still cold. And then I used two jackets for make my body still warm, for make my body still fit, for doing something task like we go to mosque, so we need to use double jacket.
And others. So before that, how you think about these people in India with you? It's like the maybe physique or edge
So in
people
India,
in India
they are very different
with Indonesia.
with Indonesia. Yes, because of like, in India, they um, like not same with Southeast Asia, especially with Indonesia or Malaysia and others. So their face is very different or very contrast with Indonesia, and their habit, their culture, like in their street food. I think all of them that they are not hygiene, but still has a lot of their street food still hygiene, like I always bought is shawarma. It's very hygiene and it's not too expensive. It's only 50 rupees.
That's not expensive.
Yes.
So let's start our podcast with the title Adolescence and Adulthood. It's like remaja and kenakalannya. So in media social, what do you think about the adulthood in media social in teenagers?
Okay. Let me start this in my opinion. Especially on this era, there are a lot of changes that from era to the next era, especially in our era. It has a lot of media social, like like TikTok or
Yes,
Instagram,
Facebook,
or even Facebook,
and others.
Twitter, and others. There are okay. There are a lot of people that they do cyberbullying into one account.
Yes.
So that it called like so we can see like his mischief. So like before our era or our parents' era, there are no one playing like
Game
gadget
and
or
hit
even
social
game
media.
on our social media, because on that era they don't have gadget or something else like
So
laptop.
very different
Yes,
with
it's
our
very different with
generation
our
and-
generation.
So nowadays many teenagers use social media, but they use it not wisely and beneficially.
Yes.
That, for example, using social media to view others, watch porn, and spread hidden and share to people. It's like news hoax and
Yes.
to someone, right?
Yes.
Okay, so the impact of social media on definitely is like cyberbullying and negative content and others. Maybe you can mention what is cyberbullying.
Okay, before we go, what is the impact of these bad things like cyberbullying, hoax news, and others?
Yes.
I will tell what is cyberbullying. So, cyberbullying, yes, it combined from two words. It's cyber and bullying. Yes, like we guys know is what is bullying. So bullying is like when you look at one person that you always bully, not bully on not only for just ask their money or even like that, as bully has a lot of thing, a lot of things like not like that, and got one new word is cyber. So cyberbullying, like we do bully but it's cyber, or we can say it's on social media. It's on social media. So like okay, let's take an example. The example is I found one TikTok video and I look at the comment.
Yes. So you you about the people, or you is like cyberbullying?
Not for their person.
Yes,
It's
their
for
person.
art. It's
Yes.
public. It's general. So
Okay.
when I look at that video, I think the video is positive content or like that. Yeah, right. But the comment like it's not supporting
The video, this
The
video.
video. Yes.
Okay. So maybe for my opinion is cyberbullying, maybe online bullying, is it like throughout social media, such as negative comment and also spreading false information or truth. So the conclusion from cyberbullying is online bullying.
Yes. It sounds like bullying, but it's the different. It's just online.
Oh, okay. So cyberbullying can with Instagram, Facebook,
Yes.
and others media social.
Even it's on the game.
Oh,
Like online game,
yes.
it still has cyberbullying. Like
Maybe you can give example in games.
yes. So when you play an online game, like we take the example, it's a famous game. It's Mobile Legend, right?
Yes.
Nah, when you play the game, when you play on a match, and you are not performing well,
Yes.
yes,
In this match, that
yeah,
match.
in that match, and then one of your teammate or even your enemy, your opponent, like mocking you, like, "Hey, yo man, you play so bad lah,"
Yes.
like that.
That's cyberbullying.
Yeah, that is cyberbullying. Because of what I said there, that's cyberbullying. Because of first, it can attack our mental. So our mental is not can be like we don't have any mental for playing that game.
Yes. So we done after we get cyberbullying in this game.
Mm-mm.
Okay. So and the next is negative content.
Yes.
But the negative content, from my opinion, is teens are easily can interactive with other teenagers, learning, socializing, and mental healthing. So, what's your opinion about the negative content?
About the negative content, okay, so this content on the first time is plural, so we can choose where's the positive one, where's the negative one. And if you look at the negative one, like useless content, or even it has sex inside that,
Yes.
yeah, that's a negative content. Because of what? The first one, it spend our money for buying something like it spend our money for buying Wi-Fi or buying device like that for looking at the negative content. And the second one, it spends our time, or you can do something good one like searching the positive content, like a content creator that is traveling or even etc like that. And for the negative content, it's not, it applicable in all of our ages, so not on the teenagers only get that impact of negative content, even that is like young people or child people that can get negative content.
So I look in media social, it's like TikTok. So many teenagers, young men, make the content. It's like singing, and then others in social media that positive content.
Yeah.
Okay, so next there is negative impact in social media and also positive impact in social media. So my opinion in negative impact in social media is disrupt our sleep, and all the second lead us to hoping to yes, and like that, and leads to FOMO. That's from negative impact. Your opinion about negative impact of social media?
So the negative impact of this social media, as we can take, like I said, it spend our time. It's very useless for us, and we can change this habit like scrolling on TikTok or even scrolling Instagram. We can change our habit like searching the useful one. Like like finishing your project or your task in school, or yes, like that. So we just change our negative habit.
So
Yes.
in media social, not have only negative. And
Yes,
also
it also has a positive one.
The positive is like
Useful content like learning content,
Yes.
or even like that. And if you find class message from me, if you find the negative content, you can also do report to Instagram
yes.
for make your FYP or make your pages it's more useful. I think that's all for me.
Okay, maybe that's all for us. And the last, I give some message for all of us and all of the parents for advice to supervise their children in social media, such as smartphone, computer, and others. Supervise when they play games online or social media. What status on social network. That sets for me to others. Only that.
Yes, I think that's all from us. Thank you very much for watching our video. Last word I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.